Corn School on RealAgriculture.com is brought to you by BASF and Pride Seeds.
Bernard Tobin here on the Corn School, catching up today with Omafra plant pathologist Albert Tenuta. Sir, how's it going?
I am great. I'm in my nursery. I'm fabulous.
Tar spot it is for sure. And hey, we've done a lot of videos in the last couple of years on how do we manage tar spot, fungicides, genetics. But hey, weather and technology certainly plays a role as well.
Oh yeah, those are the two pillars when it comes to tar spot management for most diseases that we see, foliar diseases, etc. And so weather does drive this disease, particularly relative humidity and all of that. And we've got some great forecasting prediction model tools out there as well. A lot of work out of the U.S., Damon Smith's group out of University of Wisconsin, colleagues in the U.S. We're supporting that information as well, trying to tie that weather information with what's actually happening in the field as well. So those prediction models can help us. They can utilize the weather and tell us if we're going from a situation with no or very little tar spot to increasing our risk, and that helps us with that timing side of things. But to make those better, we're always looking for the future. And how do we tie that with what's going on in terms of the disease, the pathogen, those spores moving around?
Yeah. So, Sporonado. Talk about, I guess, this experiment here and what you're trying to achieve and some funding.
Yeah, so Sporonado, funding through the Grain Farmers in Ontario as well as SCAP. So this is one of the examples of some of these spore trapping mechanisms out there. If you think about the disease triangle, the environment, susceptible host, the pathogen, this helps us fill that void in and get us that third part in here. And so this moves around with the wind, solar powered, so there's a fan running continuously. It's sucking the air in. Any spores, etc., that come into this cartridge that's in the middle here will be trapped, and we're changing them every week. Those can be analyzed through DNA. You can look for tar spot, northern corn leaf blight, fusarium head blight, white mold, a whole bunch of other diseases, not only in corn but others.
Yeah. So how do you use the data you're collecting here to sort of better forecast and better manage tar spot?
And that's what we're trying to do now, is tie in with what we're seeing here with the forecast and put the two together and see if that can make those prediction models even better and help us down the road in terms of not only do we need a fungicide application, for instance, or not? Right. And that will save us money down the road, as well as protect our yields.
Yeah, and help farmers when they're reading their tar spotter app.
Correct.
Right? Have better information, make better decisions?
Yeah, so the tar spotter app, that field profit one, brings in the white mold app as well as the tar spotter app in there. Those are great examples. So that'll help you assessing your risk, helping you determine whether you need a management then or not, or wait later, or if you can just hold back and just wait until we see what's going on later on. But it helps you assess your risk and ultimately help us in terms of better management, greater sustainability.
Yeah, well, great stuff, Albert. Always great to have you.
They're cool, eh?
The Corn School.
Corn School. Ain't these cool?